Hey guys, today we're going to find out what ancient Indians thought about the shape of the earth. Did they think the earth was flat or did they think the earth was round? In ancient India, several texts and stories talk about the flat earth model, but there are also other depictions which show the concave earth model as well. I've shown you two theories from ancient India. One is the flat earth and the other is the concave earth model. Why do we see these two models in ancient India? Because it's very hard to come to terms with the globe earth model. Let's face it, the first time someone told you the earth was like a ball, your first question was, why are we not falling down? How do you walk on the curved surface of a ball? Why don't we see the curve at all? Let me ask you this. When you were a kid, did you intuitively understand and accept when someone told you the earth was round? For me personally, I remember it was impossible to understand the round earth theory for many years. When you hear that the earth is not only round, but it's also spinning at an insane speed, we don't feel like we're moving at all. So, what did the ancient Hindus really believe? The most important point to remember is that there was more freedom of speech in ancient India than what we have now. There were several schools of thought, and you could believe in whatever you wanted. Today, if somebody says the earth is flat, then everybody wants to ridicule him or try to convince him with various evidences. But ancient India had much more freedom of speech. You could come up with any theory, and even if your theory flies in the face of the established theory, you were free to hold your ideas. The second most important thing was that Hinduism did not have one central authority at any given time. So there was no real head of the religion. In fact, Hinduism was just a way of life. It was just a civilization which had multiple heads and tails. Let's go back 400 years and look at the life of Galileo in Europe. Galileo publishes a crazy alternate theory at that time. He claims that the earth is round. It moves around the sun, and the sun is the center of the solar system, not the earth. I mean, this is mainstream science now, but at that time it was a huge alternate theory. But history is repeating itself. 400 years later, the tables have turned. Literally the exact opposite is happening. Galileo's alternate theory has become mainstream now, and the flat earth has become alternate theory. But round earth theorists are not only ridiculing the flat earth theorists, but they're actually trying to suppress information about flat earth theory. For example, YouTube has put in an algorithm to suppress flat earth videos. This is a screenshot from the official YouTube blog. Try searching YouTube for flat earth videos. YouTube will not show you the people who actually talk about flat earth. It'll show you the videos which oppose the flat earth theory. And this is very interesting to watch how social media like YouTube and even the scientific community suppresses flat earth theorists with an iron fist. In a truly free society, people must be allowed to examine and re-examine anything they want. You can disagree with them, but if you're going to suppress the alternate point of view, that's not only wrong, that's barbaric. Why is the flat earth theory so popular, right? Because you cannot demonstrate this easily to make me understand that the earth is round. The shape of the earth is a unique issue, but you cannot easily demonstrate and prove the shape of the earth. You can infer this indirectly from some experiments, or you have to choose to believe these scientists. So that's exactly what we do today. Most of us just choose to believe scientists. I have not physically traveled to space and seen the Earth's surface from space. I have only seen videos given by scientists. So I believe that the Earth is round, even though I've never seen it with my own eyes. So you too have a choice of believing the scientists or not believing them, but a free society must allow free thinking. It can teach us how to think, but it cannot limit information and it cannot tell us what to think.
So I'm here at Darling Park, which is in Sydney, just near Darling Harbour. Behind me is a map, a flat earth map, which is in the form of a fountain with water. So anyway, it's interesting why there's got a flat earth map here, and also inside the foyer there's also a flat earth map as a clock. And if you understand the symbolism, as the UN logo has a flat earth map, the National Maritime logo is a flat earth map. So one would have to question, why is this so? Why are these, very prominent, powerful organisations showing a flat earth map in their logos? Is there something that they know that we don't? Is there some other reason? Is it a mere coincidence? I don't think so. So these things are sort of hidden in plain sight. So generally, we're told that where we live is a globe, and it's not really questioned. As soon as you question that, of course, people think, you're something wrong with you. But everything should be questioned.